Howdy everybody, welcome to Grill on Wheels. I got the grill preheating right now. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 12 coals and 2 pieces of maple wood. They're about that long, and they're just wood chips basically. All right, so I got it going, man. Yeah. This was kind of a pain in the butt to start because I didn't really have any starting wood.
Yeah.
Like the small little chips.
But it should get going.
You want to show everybody what we got? Something simple?
Yeah, we got this little, I made it with tinfoil. Just stick a little bit of butter in there.
Slap a bit of butter on it.
Slap a little butter on it.
Alright, grab this also. Yeah, that's the key, because you got to grab this thing. So you want kind of like a handle. I'll put the butter over here and then I'll just lay it like right there.
Yeah.
And basically we just got to wait about 10 minutes or so. So yeah.
Yeah.
This is going to be one of the best steaks we've ever cooked.
Especially with the steaks we got, them things are huge.
And juicy.
And juicy.
Man, we cook them to perfection.
Every time we cook steak, they're always like oozing with that juice.
They get a little bit better every time we cook them.
They got that nice pink in there, but it ain't too pink, ain't too cooked. It's just right.
Yeah.
All that protein.
I like a good cooked steak. All right, so we'll let this preheat for about 10 minutes and then we'll get back with everybody.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Also, when you're preheating, if you're just doing like 1 steak or 2 steaks, you don't need a lot of coal. You need like 12 or 13 pieces of coal and maybe like 2 pieces of wood, small pieces of wood, and you should be good. If you're doing like a rib or something else, you want to probably get lumps.
Spread it out.
Yeah, you probably want to get charcoal lumps.
But
Like
if you're just doing like a normal steak or something kind of small,
Yeah.
you want it all concentrated. Just in
you
one
want it
section.
very much concentrated, and we'll show them the brand that we use.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's show them what we use.
This is good
What we
stuff.
use. We use Kingford. That's a good brand. It's easy light bag, so that's very much useful. And then this stuff is the wood with the maple on it that I was telling them about. This is called Pine Mountain wood. Indoor, outdoor, so you can actually use this indoor.
Yeah.
It's fat wood.
It's real good.
Yeah, real good wood.
It gives it like a little bit
It
of
really-
flavor.
it
Helps
really-
bring up the heat.
Mm-hmm.
It's really nice.
I agree with you on that. So we're just melting this butter down. You got to have your butter for the steak. If you don't have your butter, it's not going to come out the same. I promise. The butter is the key.
Yeah, it won't have as much juice without the butter. The butter's really the main ingredient.
Right.
That's the thing that kind of helps it cook on the inside. Just brings out all the juices.
It really does. We want to get this thing about 700-800 degrees. We want to get this thing as hot as we can. So basically, we're trying to cook the steak as hot as we can for as short as
possible.
Short as possible, yes.
Hot and quick.
Good one. Oh. All right.
This is the steak we got.
Tell them about it,
It's
cuz.
huge. What meat was it?
That was that's ribeye.
Yeah, we
Ribeye.
got this huge ribeye steak.
That's
Just
a
look at
good,
it.
what would you think, an inch and a half?
I'd say about an inch and a half.
Yeah,
Inch
it's
and a
pretty
half.
good steak, yeah.
Real thick on the sides.
Oh, good.
Loaded it down with seasoning. We got ooh, watch that. Hold on.
Oh, you want to show them the seasoning?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Let them know they can get this at Ingles. Yeah, you guys. Reach room
These-
temperature. Where
These
you
are
cook
the
them?
two, and usually we'd use some different stuff, but this is our go-to.
Rufus.
Rufus, and this, well, the go-to blend. This stuff is really good because it's got both salt
Yeah.
and pepper in it, and it's also got a bit of garlic. Bring out some more flavor.
All right, we're gonna get ready to throw it on here. Let's get ready to throw it on here. I think this
I
thing
think it's
looks
good.
Yeah, it looks good. Here, you want to take that plate?
Yeah.
All right. So basically, we're gonna start out. I say about.
Ooh. Okay. I'll get a timer going for about 2 minutes. You'd say.
Yeah. Let's start out 2 minutes. That kind of got my fingers.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay.
So once you get it on there, what you want to do is get like a 2-minute timer, and you really want to get it heated up. And also, just every now and then, pour a little bit of butter on there. Really jerk it.
Yes, sir.
That's what really gets the steak going. And I'll go grab one of our bigger plates.
One of our what?
I'm gonna grab one of the bigger plates we use for the.
Oh, okay. Cool. Yep. We're gonna cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. It's just getting the temperature right and timing right. You got this on a timer, right?
Yeah, I got it on the timer.
Cool. We'll start out with the 2 minutes. We might bump it up to 2.5, just depending on, you know what I mean?
Yeah, depending on the sear. And...
It's pretty thick. Usually when we get it around this thick kind of thickness, we usually bump it up to 2.5 minutes.
Yeah. The timing really depends on the steak. If it's a real thin steak, you can go for about 2 minutes. But if it's a big beefy one like this, you can bump it up to 2:30 or 3 minutes even. All depends on how thick it is.
I love grilling out.
Yeah, it was like real nice. Just getting to snow.
Dang, already 2 minutes?
Already 2 minutes.
All right, let's go ahead and, well, let's look underneath it. Take a look.
Yeah.
No, we're actually going to cook this a little bit longer today, man. We're going to go for another minute.
All right.
Yeah, we're going to go for another minute. This is a big boy. Yeah, we got $50 steaks, but we got them on sale for, I think, 29 bucks. So yeah, like a $20, close to a $20 discount. So we had to grab the steaks. Yeah. If we weren't getting steaks, we were going to be eating chicken.
Grilling chicken.
Because we know we can get chicken for like $10.
Yeah, but they had a good deal on this, so.
Yeah, they did.
This is something you can't pass up.
They were fixing to take the deal away. They were.
Fixing it.
He said, so. Yeah, that's what the man said. I think at 1 o'clock.
Luckily, we grabbed them just in time.
We sure did, Bo.
It's a good find, too.
Man, we're going to probably need some more butter.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't mean to cut you off, Bo.
No, he's fine.
All right.
Let me go grab some more butter.
Let's take a peek. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice, and we got a nice flame. All right, that's nice, brother. That's nice. On hood.
Oh, heck yeah.
On hood. Oh, man, I almost got my little butter bowl. Oh, that's nice.
And speaking of
butter.
Ooh.
That's perfect. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
1 second.
That's nice.
So I'll start a timer for 3 since we did 3 on that side.
Man, I'm telling you that butter does wonders, man. It's the butter that does it.
It really does.
Yeah, this is woo-wee.
Helps bring out all that flavor.
Oh, it does, man. Butter is the key.
And I'm more surprised than anything that they actually put a discount on these steaks of all of them.
I know. It's just luck of the
luck of the day.
Luck of the day, man.
It's crazy.
On
Such
a
a
Friday.
thick cut, and they gave us $20 off.
On a Friday.
On a Friday.
Come on with it.
Friday special.
Friday special. So yeah, you got the timer on this.
Yeah, I got the timer.
Okay, so that looks pretty good on that side, man. We did we did 3 minutes on that side, so we'll do at least 3 minutes on this side. So this steak will be a little bit longer of a cook than usually.
Takes a little bit longer, but usually when it takes longer to cook a steak, that just means it's going to be even better in the end.
Exactly. You're exactly right.
Yeah. And then I guess once we finish cooking it, we'll We'll show them just like a little cut inside, and
Yeah,
I think it'll probably do.
exactly. Man, this is crazy, dude. We are cooking this steak with 12 coals.
Dang.
12 coals and two small pieces of wood.
Yeah.
And the wood's basically gone.
That thing was just reduced to a
Yeah.
bunch of ashes. But it served its purpose well.
Man, it is looking so good, Bo. Is that a 3-minute timer?
3-minute timer.
Cool. That is nice, man. Oh man, that's nice.
Heck
All right,
yeah.
let's go ahead and it's falling apart, Bo.
That good.
It's that good. There you go.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, buddy.
Look at that.
Yeah, buddy. Good job, Bo.
Kind of.
Yeah. That's awesome, buddy.
Look at that. Yeah.
Man, this is nice, buddy.
The best finishing touch is getting it on its sides too. I know that doesn't matter much to some people, but
It doesn't
To us,
right. To us, it really matters to get these sides.
it's a finishing touch you just can't miss.
Yeah, you can't miss it. It's one of the best parts about this. It's the best part of the steak. Oh my goodness, jeez. Hey, that's good.
Ooh, yeah. I think we're good on that butter.
Yeah, we just gave it some fuel for sure.
There's a little chunk walking off from that whole thing.
Yeah, this thing is
walking off.
perfectly cooked too. That's a
Heck
perfect
yeah.
steak.
Perfect.
All right, you guys. Well, steak is finished. You want to bring it up there to them?
Look
That's
at
what she
that
looks like.
sucker.
Yeah. All right, you guys. Well, it was good seeing you. And subscribe, like, comment, share, and we'll see you on the next video.
Heck yeah. See y'all later. Inside of the steak. As you can see, nice and pink inside. Just how you want it. Nice and pink. So good it fell apart too. Split in two.
Brought to you by Grills on Wheels.